Welcome to the EntropySoft product overview. EntropySoft has been focusing on content interoperability for 5 years. Today, 6 out of the 14 players present in the latest Gartner report on information access use EntropySoft. EntropySoft is very strong in the search market, but EntropySoft is also present in the e-discovery, PPM, WCM, DLP and MFP markets. So, what problems do we solve? First of all, more and more documents are stored in more and more content repositories. And all content repositories are technologically different. This increases information fragmentation and hinders content access. EntropySoft worked on 3 scenarios to contain information fragmentation. First, we have 35 read-write connectors that help connect to all CMS. Then, a content hub provides a single access point and federated search. And finally, content ETL manages all document transfers. EntropySoft's remedy for information fragmentation comes as pure software, or as a ready-to-use appliance. Let's see how useful a single access point can be. When you log into our web application, you access the list of all the connected repositories. Here, from top to bottom, I have access to Documentum Center Stage, to Documentum Content Server, Symantec Enterprise Vault, IBM Finet, Google Docs, OpenText eDocs, Iron Mountain, OpenText LiveLink, Salesforce, and 2 Microsoft SharePoint servers. One is 2007 and the other one is the 2010 version. Let's work with SharePoint 2010. In SharePoint 2010, you can display documents. You can check in, check out. You can display properties. You can edit properties. Then you can see versions. You can delete a specific version. And finally, you can access permissions and modify permissions. You can do the same with more than 35 different applications. Then you can do federated search. Content Hub acts as a search broker. You can search in full text. You can also search in a single application. Here, I can select SharePoint 2010. And then you can search on properties. Let's look for documents containing EntropySoft in the title and created during the last month. 6 documents are found. Because the connectors are bidirectional, I can work directly on the results. Content Hub offers applications and users an easy access to all company documents. Additionally, to share information, documents have to be transferred between applications. Of course, with all permissions, metadata and history. The solution is to deploy transfer bridges that anybody can use without technical skills. Let's build a bridge and easily transfer documents to Google Docs. A content bridge is a succession of stages to implement the specific business requirements of each transfers. Each stage is representing an action done to an information parcel. A bridge is starting with a source that will extract the relevant documents from a repository. Bridges are built by dragging and dropping pre-programmed stages, for example to retrieve content, metadata, and permissions. Mapping of permissions, users and groups and metadata between source and target applications is also done by drag and drop. At the end of the bridge, let's add the 2 stages to set permissions and load the documents in the target system. Finally, let's connect sequentially the features. This simple bridge is now finished. Of course, there are a lot more pre-programmed stages to manage PDF rendering, metadata completion, or deduplication. Let's go now to Google Docs. The contracts folder is empty now, but I want to share the documents I previously selected in SharePoint 2010 with my virtual team. I just have to click on this button to access the Transfer Bridges library. I can archive the documents in the cloud to iron maintain, or I can archive the documents on-premise to Symantec Enterprise Vault, or I can transfer the documents to Google Docs. I select Google Docs and click on Next to start the bridge. Let's check in Google Docs that the documents are now indeed available in my Contracts folder. Yes, they are. I can now share the documents with my team and my partners who have access to Google Docs. Content ETL organizes information sharing with partners with maximum security and traceability. In addition, check out our ready-to-use solution to archive digital documents to iron maintain. Finally, EntropySoft has an extensive expertise on 35 ECM applications and provide a 24/7 support. Thank you for your time.